One day, understanding liquidity in 2026 just got easy. Let me show you. The second liquidity we have is called inducement liquidity. This is the liquidity that tricks trader into placing premature orders. You guys say, Amanda, you have come again. Let me show you. So you see, you already know what transactional liquidity is, Abby. It's telling you that buyers are not buying again, they want to start selling, and sellers are not selling again, they want to start buying. And it's to form what? Liquidity sweep and market structure shifts. Now, markets will give you a pullback and go up, give you a break of structure. What were we taught before, guys? We were taught that when we see a higher high and a higher low, higher high, we should wait for what? A higher low. So we should enter with in the higher low, right? And target to the upside. Is that not what you were taught? Now, where will your stop loss be? Eba. Where will your sell limits be? Sorry, where will your buy limits be? Eba, Abi. So you see, market will now come, take you out and go up. So do you understand now? This is why it's called premature orders, because see where your orders are. Market makers will come to take you out, and the entry is always the breaker block. Your entry will always be what? The breaker block. It's simple. So do you see it now? After it form liquidity sweep and market structure shifts, price will come and form a pullback. That pullback always breaks structure. And then price will always, what you target? You target the breaker. Do you get? Let me show you on the chart. So guys, see one example. Can go see again a 9 chart. Do you see? Push to the upside, fall. Liquidity sweep have been formed, market structure shifts. Look at the pullback I told you about. Do you see all this pullback? Do you see all this pullback? All this pullback are just liquidity that is forming. And do you see the entry? Your entry is always the breaker block. Your entry is always the breaker block. Let's see it. Hold on. Let's see it on. Do you see, guys? Do you see? And let us see. Do you see? Do you understand now? Let me find another one if I have another one. Hold on. I already put another. See another one here. See another one here. I told you, price will give what? Up. Fall. Liquidity sweep. Break. This will be your entry. In our show liquidity, see all of the liquidity that it formed there. Lele liquidity, see all the liquidity that it formed. Entry. See your entry here, right? Let me put it back in line chart. Let us see, did it work? Oh, wow, guys. Do you see? Did you see? Do you see the tab? That is it.